Hello everyone, welcome back to Honey's Galaxy. Today we are going to make chicken pockets using tortilla wraps. For that we need half kilogram of chicken and vegetables of your choice, and here I have taken red, yellow, green bell peppers and some onions. And for marinating the chicken we need black pepper, garam masala, red chili powder, some cumin powder and salt. And further we need some cheese. I've taken mozzarella cheese here. Additionally, I've taken mayonnaise, tandoori mayonnaise and chili garlic sauce. These tandoori and chili garlic are both optional, and for adding little spark I've taken jalapeños also. And lastly we need tortilla wraps for making chicken pockets. And now let's cut the chicken pieces into straight stripes. And ta-da! We are done. And now it's the time to marinate the chicken. For that we need salt, red chili, some cumin powder and black pepper, and lastly some garam masala. And lastly we need to add some soya sauce as well. Let's mix everything and cover it properly and marinate it for at least 15 minutes. And now let's heat the pan and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in the marinated chicken. And saute it for a while. And now let's cover it for at least 10 minutes to cook it on medium flame. And now let's squeeze in some few drops of lemon to add in some citrus flavor to it. And now the chicken is properly cooked, and I'm going to add my vegetables here. We don't have to cook the vegetables much because we don't want the crunchiness of these vegetables to go away. And the chicken filling is ready. And now I am going to grill the tortilla wraps a bit as they'll get very soft. And come, let's stuff in everything. And lastly, I am going to grill these pizza pockets. And if you like it, do subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.